Hello everybody, welcome to today's lesson where we'll be making 3D dice as well as exploring the greater than, less than and equal sign. Now the world around us, the things that we have are either big or small because we're comparing them, aren't they? So today we're going to use our 3D dice and our greater than, less than and equal sign to compare some numbers. These are the resources you're going to need for the following activity. Some Bostik glue, 6 ice cream sticks, a colourful marker, a pencil, scissors, glue, 2 googly eyes and some sticky labels. I've got some circular ones, 2 A4 pieces of paper, as well as a cube net and an A3 cardboard piece of paper. So this is what our goodies are going to look like at the end. I've got 2 dice over here, I've got one from numbers, and I've got one made out of the sticky labels. And then I've got my greater than sign, my less than sign, and we're going to make an equals. So I'm going to put that aside, and let's begin. So what you want to do first is you want to take your big net, and you want to cut around it, and then stick it down onto the piece of paper so that we can cut carefully. So we're just going to bubble cut at the beginning. So this is what it looks like. It's stuck down and we've made sure just to bubble cut. Now we're going to cut on the black line as best as we can, making sure that it keeps its form. So I've already got one that I've cut out. And this is what it looks like. I've been very deliberate in making sure that my black solid lines at the back are really sticking out. Now what I'll do is I'm going to fold on each and every solid line that I see. So I'm folding, and it doesn't matter where you start as long as you fold all the lines so that we can make our dice and do our tabs. Here I go, I'm folding, I'm trying my best to be nice and straight so that when I'm actually assembling my dice, I don't have anything that's out of place. Here we go, and I'm folding. Got to use your strong fingers for these activities when we fold, and my last fold looks like that. And then here we go. Now I'm going to try and assemble my dice. So we want to take the prick glue and we want to put it on the sides. So you put it on a side like that, and then you make sure that the 2 sides touch nicely together. So that's side number 1. And then you take your glue, put a whole lot down, and there we go, building on top of the sides, side number 2. And then we go, some more prick glue, and up our cube goes. So I'm going to stop there because I think you get the gist of it, and I'm going to use the cube that we already have so that we can start a bit of our game. But you see how it works? It was coming along so beautifully, and that's how we do it. So the first cube that I've done, it's got just stickers on top of it. What I've done is I've taken the numbers 1 to 6 and I've used these sticky labels to put it exactly as they would appear on a dice. There we go, here are my numbers. And then with my other cube, this one I decided, no, let's not do sticky labels, let's do big numbers. 46, 79, 21, those are a lot of big numbers. So what we'll do next is we are going to make our crocodile signs. There's our greater than and our less than. All we do is we take our 2 sticks. It's nice when they're colourful on the other side, and you put your Bostik glue and you stick it down. And then you take 2 more sticks and you put your Bostik glue, and you make sure now you're going the other way around so that you don't have the same type of, because this is one sign, put it in front of you so you can make sure that your other sign is going the other way around and we don't duplicate it. Can you see? And then what we do is we put our googly eyes on top, just like that. So over here, I'm going to use the ones that we already have to play our game. So we'll let these dry on the side, and our equal sign is nice and easy because it just looks like that, doesn't it? So over here, what I've done is I've taken a piece of paper and I've cut out some teeth for us. So my teeth are already cut out. How do you do teeth? It doesn't matter. Zigzags are perfect. Zigzags all the way through, cut them out, and this is what they look like. This is perfect. And this goes underneath our beautiful signs, just like that, and we stick it on down so that our crocodile actually has some teeth. That's what it looks like. So let's try play our game. Here's my dice. I roll. Number 6. I keep that in my head. 6. Oh, and another 6. 6 and 6. Is one bigger than the other? No, it's equal. And that's how we play our game. So I hope you can go around and find some things all around the house and see if you can compare some numbers to one another. Thank you for crafting with me today. See you next time.